How does Claude Code actually work under the hood? In this video, we'll break down the Agentic loop, the 5 built-in tool categories, and the safety features that keep you in control. Let's go. You type one sentence into your terminal. Seconds later, Claude Code has read 12 files, edited 4, and fixed your failing tests, all without you touching a thing. But what actually happened between your prompt and that result? Under the hood, it's an agentic loop, a system of tools, verification, and memory. And once you understand that system, your results get dramatically better. Claude Code is an agentic assistant that lives in your terminal. Not just suggestions, actual action. It reads your code, edits files, runs commands, and checks its own work. Think of it as a capable colleague sitting in your terminal, ready to take on entire tasks from start to finish. Let's see exactly how it works. Everything Claude Code does follows the agentic loop. 3 phases, running continuously until the job is done. Phase 1. Gather context. Claude reads files, searches your codebase, and builds understanding of the problem. Phase 2. Take action. It edits code, runs shell commands, installs packages, whatever the task requires. Phase 3. Verify results. It runs your tests, checks the output, and confirms the fix actually works. Then it loops back. Each step feeds into the next. If the tests fail, it reads the errors, adjusts the code, and tries again. And here's the key. You're always in the loop too. You can interrupt at any point to steer Claude in a different direction. It works autonomously, but stays responsive to your input. The agentic loop is powered by 2 ingredients. Models handle the reasoning. Claude reads your code, understands how components connect, and figures out what needs to change. But reasoning alone isn't enough. Tools provide the action, or by reading files, editing code, running commands, searching the web. Without tools, Claude is just a text generator. With tools, it becomes a true agent. Claude comes with 5 categories of built-in tools. File operations, read, edit, create, and rename files across your project. Search. Find files by pattern, search content with regex, explore entire code bases. Execution, run shell commands, start servers, execute tests, use Git. Web, search the web, fetch documentation, look up error messages. And code intelligence. See type errors after edits, jump to definitions, find references across your code. So here's what makes this powerful. When you say fix the failing tests, Claude chains these tools together automatically. Run the tests, read the errors, find the source files, edit the fix, run the tests again. 6 steps, 0 manual intervention. When you run Claude in a directory, it gets access to everything you'd need. Your entire project, files and subdirectories. Your terminal, any command you can run, Claude can run too. Your Git state, the current branch, uncommitted changes, recent history, your claude.md file. Persistent project instructions that Claude reads every session, and any extensions you configure. MCP servers for external services, skills for workflows, and subagents for delegated tasks. Every conversation with Claude Code is a session, saved locally. But here's an important detail. Sessions are independent. Each new session starts fresh, without history from previous ones. To pick up where you left off, use continue. It resumes the same session, appending new messages. Or use fork session to branch off and try a different approach without affecting the original. For parallel work, use Git worktrees. Each worktree gets its own directory and its own session. And for knowledge that should persist across sessions, put it in claude.md. Claude has 2 safety mechanisms to keep you in control. First, checkpoints. Before Claude edits any file, it snapshots the current contents. If something goes wrong, press escape twice to rewind to a previous state. Every change is reversible. Second, permissions. Press Shift plus Tab to cycle through 4 modes. Default mode asks before file edits and shell commands. Auto accept edits trusts file changes but still asks for commands. Plan mode is read only. Claude explores and plans without making changes. And delegate mode coordinates work through agent teams. 5 tips to get dramatically better results from Claude Code. 1. Be specific upfront. Reference files, mention constraints, point to example patterns. Specific prompts often succeed on the first attempt. 2. Give Claude something to verify against. Include test cases or define the expected output. 3. Explore before implementing. Use plan mode to analyze first, then implement. 4. Delegate, don't dictate. Give context and direction, then trust Claude to figure out the details. 5. It's a conversation. If the first attempt isn't right, iterate. You don't have to start over. Now you understand how Claude Code actually works. The agentic loop, the tools, the safety net. Full documentation is linked in the description below. If this helped you understand Claude Code better, hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI-powered development. See you in the next one.